Hi guys, hello everyone, good evening. Today, it's not a surprise actually because I already informed my wife I'm gonna give a gift. It's a late gift actually for our anniversary last month. We were celebrating our anniversary, so the gift arrived just today. So, love, you wanna come?
Ceng cerereng.
Alright. So guys, this is Love Heart Sri Lankan
And Filipina.
Alright. So, okay. So this is the gift from me, love, to you for our anniversary.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright. So guys, it's a Asus laptop. It's not the most expensive laptop, but it's for beginners actually. So guys, it's Intel inside, Asus E410M. I will open and see first. Open. You want to open, love?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you.
Right.
Wow.
Okay, I want to show this. It's nicely packed, guys, as you can see. Here. We have the warranty. Oh, yeah.
Yes, Lord.
Is there the warranty? We bought it from actually Carrefour. It's cost us 1,000 dirhams. That means around 13,000 pesos. 13,000 Philippine pesos. Right. Here we go.
Wow, so cute.
Wow. It's nicely packed, guys. This is the laptop. Okay. Really cool, guys. And I love the size of this laptop, guys. It's not big.
It's not heavy.
Yeah, it's not heavy as well, and it's 14 inch, as I know. Right. Wow. It's really nice, guys. Really cool laptop. See?
What is that?
So this is an Intel Celeron laptop, guys, and the special feature on this, I think Asus introduced this, the mouse pad with the number pad. Something special, and also there is the enter button here. It's green color. So normally in the other laptops it's the same color, but here we have a different color here. The enter button, it will show clearly what is the enter button. So it's cool. It's not heavy. It's really very lightweight laptop. Right. So guys, so we need to charge the laptop first. So try to open this. First we will charge, guys. And we will plug it here. Charging point is here, and you have here the VGA connector and the USB, and this is I'm not sure. This is for the maybe the phone, because we have different type of USB wires now. This is for the headphone, and you have here as well another USB, and this one for the memory cards as well, memory card slot as well. Okay. So guys, let's switch on the laptop. The light is blinking. So this is it. So let's try to restart again. Guys, so here we go, and let's go and see the specification, guys. What are the specification here in the settings? Okay, where is the one? System. Okay, then here you can find the specification here, guys. Yep, it's 4GB Intel Celeron and 4020 CPU, 1.1 gigahertz to 1.10 gigahertz. So 64-bit operating system, 64x64 based processor. No pen, no touch input is available for this display, so it's not a touch screen one, that's what. And Windows 10 Home in S mod, installed on 2021-15 OS build, Experience Windows Feature Experience Pack. Alright, Asus Tech Computer Incorporation. So these are the main features in this. Right. Yeah. So guys, this is the laptop. So another good thing with this laptop, as you can see, you can open the laptop like this as a book. It's like actually this is a notebook laptop, so you can open like this, and so it's a cool laptop, guys. It's really nice, as you can see. It's really light. It's really light laptop. You can carry very easily. So for beginners, it's really a good laptop and a good price, guys, and a good brand. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our unboxing. And I think I'll share everything that I know about this laptop. I hope that it will help you guys if you are looking for a laptop for a beginner. Thank you so much again, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, guys, and leave a comment as well. What do you think about this laptop and any other cheaper laptop that you can find in the market? Give us some suggestions as well. Thank you so much, guys. Again, this is Love Heart Sri Lankan and Filipina. See you guys. Love you all.